How to enable TikTok dark mode on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipen Besnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can enable dark mode on Android device for TikTok. Now here, unfortunately, as you know, there is no any option available on the app itself. Now there is an option on iOS devices on TikTok to enable dark mode, but unfortunately it's not the case for Android. However, what you can do is you can try and force the dark mode. In order to do so, first you want to head into your settings. You can scroll down the notification bar, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen, and here what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down below until you find the option that says about phone, and here you want to scroll down below and you can see software information and search. You want to tap on it, and here what you want to do is on the build number you want to tap multiple times. You just continuously until it says enabling developers mode. It'll ask you for pin here, and once you enter in your pin here, you can see the developer mode has been enabled. Once it's enabled, you want to head back, and under settings at the bottom you'll find the option that says developer options. You want to tap on it, and here what you want to do is you want to search in for the option that says dark mode. You can just type in dark mode or such, and here you can see under developer options there is an option that says force dark mode. You want to tap on it and it'll take you to that option, and you want to tap on it, and now once you enable dark mode on your Android device, now you can just head into your settings. I'll just head back to settings and enable dark mode. Here I'll just type in dark, and once you enable dark mode, what it does is it'll force the apps into dark mode as well. So this might help you, this might fix the issue. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.